is another extended stay America. Same as all the other standard stays we've been in, apart from location. If you do Universal Studios, is really good. Literally, you know, you're talking 7-8 minutes. That's a wrap for Orlando. But yeah, we've got a short trip today as well, so we're gonna cruise over to Tampa, and that's only about an hour and a half. So yet again, another quick day, but it's gonna be straight down the interstate. Hello Tampa. Only took about a little bit over an hour, so perfect timing because it's now 12:30, and it's time to get some lunch at Danny's All-American Dine, as recommended on Triple D. So usually it's good. You know, we've had a couple which are just okay, but usually they're either good or outstanding. Oh, it's a little bit of a quiet area. Here we go. Danny's All-American Diner. See this, if you're Cuban, it has been voted the best Cuban sandwich by somebody. That's solid. What's in it? Yeah. What? Pork is just a meat sandwich of goodness. Would you vote that the best Cuban you've ever had?
I'm not sure I've ever had a Cuban sandwich before.
So it's agreed.
So yes.
The best Cuban.
I would vote it number 1.
Right, well, apparently...
The fork and then maybe try the burger after.
Yeah, apparently there is a burger in there somewhere. And I'm quite messy with food, so I'll try picking it up. Oh no. Oh no. That's not happening. Right, I think I'm gonna have to eat a burger with a knife and fork. Oh, actually, sorry. I think it's doable. It's good, but entirely the wrong kind of food for me. But I've seen messy burgers before, man. There's this, I can feel it wanting to flop apart in my hands. It's really hot, but I want to put it down, but I know I'm never going to be able to pick it up again.
No, you won't.
I'm going to need a shower after this burger.
Well done.
Nailed it, but it's purely because I couldn't put it down. I would have liked to take my time with it, but I didn't have that option.
No.
Nice little roadside shack. We've got nice full bellies, so we've got a very quick 20-minute cruise. Hopefully get to the hotel, the Baymont, which is right next to Busch Gardens. Which is so hot today, so hot. It's okay when you're driving, but when you pull up to lights like now, yeah, my helmet's heated up, similar to like if you put your head in an oven. Not that most people try that. Another home for the night. So this is the Baymont, which is right next door to Busch Gardens. I think looks like Gaz wants to have the closest possible walk to reception. Pretty lazy, but that's the way we roll. have our first glimpse of Busch Gardens. Finished at Busch Gardens. Had a great day. Yeah, great place if you like roller coasters. We're in a little bit of a hurry because we've found a place, some Smokehouse, not too far away. It's about a 10-15 minute drive, but it closed at 9 o'clock. So you know, even if we get there without hitting lights like now, it's still going to be getting close to closing time. So yeah, we want to try and really bust this one out and have some good food somewhere. I believe we made it with 29 minutes to spare. Ooh. Some Wahoo nuggets. Our first taste of gator tail, and these I'm looking forward to, the shrimp slammers filled with cheese and jalapeno. Boom. This is the Wahoo blackened. Really good fish, Wahoo. Ooh, really good. And the seasoning on the outside, cooked to perfection. This is gator tail, our first gator. I don't know what that is. A bit of alligator. Tasty but chewy chicken. Good. So far, amazing, nice. I've not tried that yet. I'm a big fan of shrimp, jalapeno and cheese. Wow, that's gonna work. Yeah, for sure. This is the shrimp slammer filled with cheese and jalapeno. That's very Polish. Really good. So, Wahoo and shrimp winners. Gator, not bad, but just chewy, chicken-like meat. That food was really good. Skipper's Smokehouse in Tampa. Highly recommended. You know, we didn't have any big meals. We had a few little taster plates. Yeah, it's been another long day, really long day, great day. You know, we've been on some great roller coasters. Busch Gardens, if you like roller coasters, for sure that's a place you need to go. So we're going to go back and just plan out what we're going to do for tomorrow. and it looks like we're gonna find a place close to the Everglades. So I think that's going to be us for tonight in Tampa. It's been, like I say, another great day on this trip. And we'll see, hopefully tomorrow's going to be just as good.